How to turn off saved login info on Instagram. What's up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn off your saved login info. So if you log into someone else's device and you want to remove your saved login info, then what you can do is first head over to your Instagram, and then from here head over to your profile. Now just tap on the menu icon to open your settings. And from here you just want to head over to your account center. Now once your account center is open, all of your login info will be on your security and password. So just tap on it, and if you want to see where you are logged in, you can tap here and see all of your devices. And if you want to turn off saved login, just tap on the saved login button right here and choose your Instagram account. Now just make sure that you turn it off. You can remove it, and every time you want to log into this particular device, you will have to enter your username and password. And if you want to turn it back again, you can do that. And that's how you can easily turn off saved login info. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.